Have you ever found a destination on Google Maps only to stand there wondering, wait, which way do I actually start walking? Today, I'm going to show you a powerful Google Maps feature that will solve that problem for all you directionally challenged people out there once and for all.
You step out of the station gate and open your map app. You think your destination is this way, but when you look up, everything looks the same. Identical buildings and streets everywhere. Not knowing whether to turn right or left, you just start walking anyway, only to realize you're headed in the completely opposite direction. We've all been there, right? You try to rely on that little blue beam on the map, but it just spins around and never stays still. If you aren't great at reading maps to begin with, it's hard to even tell which way you're facing. To be honest, trying to decide which way to go based on just that is actually a pretty big challenge. That's why I highly recommend a feature called Live View. It combines your smartphone camera with Google Maps. You don't need to struggle with reading a flat map anymore. It overlays the correct path right onto the scenery in front of you. It's super simple to use. Once you've entered your destination, make sure to select walking as your mode of transport. Now, here's an important point. The button location can vary depending on your smartphone model. Pattern 1. If you see a button labeled Live View right next to the Start button, tap that. Pattern 2. If you're thinking, wait, I don't see it, look at the bottom right of your screen. If you see this pin icon, that's your Live View button. Both do exactly the same thing, so just tap whichever one appears on your screen.
Once the camera starts, hold your phone up a bit. At first, the app won't know exactly which way is which, so move your phone slowly from side to side to scan your surroundings. Here's a pro tip. Instead of pointing it at the ground, try to show Google the buildings and signs around you. That's the secret to getting it to work quickly.
Once the app recognizes the area, there it is. A huge arrow appears on the screen, telling you exactly where to go. Since the arrow is overlaid right on top of the real street view, you'll never have to worry about turning left or right again. Honestly, it's such a relief the moment you see that arrow, isn't it? Just one quick heads up. Once the arrow appears, use it only to confirm your direction. Walking while staring at your screen the whole time is dangerous. Once you know which way to go, simply put your phone down and head off safely while enjoying the scenery around you. What do you think? With Live View, you can take that first step with confidence, even in a place you've never been before. Give it a try on your next outing. Until next time, have a wonderful trip.